All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next problem that we're solving is, again, an equation. It's a quadratic equation. Remember, when you have an equation of degree 2, which is called quadratic, you usually expect two solutions. This time the directions are very specific. Solve graphically. Definitely means time to pull out your calculator, okay? Now, here's how you solve an equation graphically. First of all, put it in standard form. Descending power order equals 0. But what we're going to do is we are going to go to our calculator, and this part, the x squared minus 8x plus 12, is going to become the function that we're graphing. We're going to graph this function, and then what we're going to look for are its zeros. And in essence, that's what the answers to this equation is. Okay? So it's kind of cool. We're going to graph this function. Let's do it. Okay. I've already hit zoom 6. Y equals, and we're going to graph, let's see, x caret 2 minus 8x plus 12. And I'm going to push graph. And what I'm seeing is a parabola. And what I want you to notice, okay, where does that graph cross the x-axis? In other words, where are its zeros? Well, one of them would be at the x value of 2. And then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this parabola crosses the x-axis twice. Once at 2 and once at 6. Those are the answers to my original equation. So, my solution set to the original equation, or my solutions, are x equals 2, x equals 6. In set form, it would just be the set containing 2 and 6. So basically, when someone asks you to solve an equation graphically, what you're doing is you're making sure it's in standard form. You're going to type in this as the function y equals, and you're going to locate its zeros, because after all, remember what a zero of a function is. It's an x value, or it's an input value that makes the output value equal to 0. And that's exactly what we were finding here. The zeros of this function are 2 and 6. And we're done. We've solved it graphically.